So this is what you see outside right there, and we are staying at 2608. We are at the 26th floor, and I clicked here the do not disturb, and they reflect to the side here. And then this is the front door here. As soon as you walk in, you have your sink. This one is a filtered water, and then a complimentary snacks, a coffee bar, and let's lock the door first. And then you have the mini fridge here, which has a complimentary 4 drinks. They give us 2 𝐮𝐸𝐵 light, the beer, and 2 Coca-Cola classic. And then you have the under the sink to the other side, and the fridge. Then you have the drawer here above the sink. You have 2 mugs and can opener and spoon. And then over here to the side, you have the dishes, the sponge and the soap. We'll put it there. And then as soon as you walk in, this is what you will see. Straight down is your room. The left side, the first one is the bathroom, and this is the bathroom. It's actually really nice. Got the marble tiles around like all the walls. You have the rain shower head, free built-in soap, shampoos, conditioner, as well as on your sink area. So you have lotion, hand soap, and antiseptic alcohol. So your typical bathroom that you need. And the other side is also a marble tiles to wall. And I love that you have the mirror and it goes all the way to the ceiling. It's really cool. And so we'll move on to here. You have a huge body mirror. And then this is the bedroom area. I booked the king size bed. So it's just me and my younger sister, and then we got all our luggage. Excuse the mess. We just walk in here, we just check in. And then this one right here is just your storage closet. So whatever you want to put it in there. And then you have your study desk or your work desk. And then that's it. That's the bed. It's a king size bed. We have our more luggage here. It's more of another bench here. This one is a connecting door to the other room. We had to make sure that that's always locked. This one is actually the closet, and guess who's hiding in there? Because she doesn't want to be on the camera. My sister. She doesn't want to be in the camera, so this is the closet, and that's my sister hiding there. So it comes with the 2 robes and extra pillow, and the crazy lady in the closet. She's hiding. And by the way, I want to mention that the closet, inside the closet, it has that lights. my sister is a weirdo. She doesn't want to be on the camera, but I show you guys anyway. And the spectacular view is behind this curtain right here. But you have the blackout curtain. This is what it looks like behind the curtain. This is our view. The other side is a bit hard to shot. And voila! Oh my gosh! It's so worth it. It's scary, but it's so worth it. Look.
Soon after. One nap later.
Wala ka panahon, girl. Fuck. It looks like we made it. Look up, welcome. Pwede mo ka lang stay dire. Picture ka?
Morning.